Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, I figured we'd take a look at some Berol handwriting pens. And the deal with these is they're supposed to be intended to help people, like mainly kids, learn how to write and develop like pen control, I guess, if that makes sense. And these are available on Amazon, and it's like $6 for a set of 4. And I think you can also get them. My set only has black pens, but I think you can also get sets with blue and black. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. So let's see. They look pretty simple and straightforward. So let's see. Alright, so these are Berol handwriting pens. So here's a question, and this is something I'm curious about. Oh, by the way, they don't actually write that bad. It's reasonably pleasant to write with them, and you get, like I said, a 4. So here's a question. When you're learning to write, you are very careful and you're meticulous. You're like making your B, and then you make your E, and then you make your R, and your O, and your L. But as you get older and as you write more, your handwriting kind of slides. It kind of deteriorates, I guess. Or maybe it adjusts. Like, I've actually noticed I have sort of odd idiosyncrasies with my handwriting. Like, one of them are E's, my E's. And you can tell right here. I use a lowercase e and an uppercase E, kind of randomly interchangeably. And it's not conscious. I don't do it thinking about it. So, I don't know. That's kind of a weird tangent, I guess. But these are relatively simple pens, and they do not write too badly. I mean, like, they're not bad at all. I'm not unhappy writing with them, for sure. And they're supposed to have, like, this tip is supposed to be extra hardened to help with something, I guess. Anyway, so now the question is, do you still remember how to write in cursive? I sort of do. And it's like, like that. Vaguely, I guess? Not really. That's super bad cursive. It's definitely not pretty. Let's see. This. I don't remember how to write in cursive at all. I definitely don't remember how to make a capital T. Capital T is something like that, isn't it? Anyway. So, if you go many, many years without writing in cursive at all, you know, I think probably the thing that ruined my cursive writing was taking notes. Because, like, I got in the habit of taking notes in sort of the way I take notes. It's kind of like that. That's terrible. But you get the idea. Less scribblings. So, yeah, I don't know. This is kind of a weird rambling video talking about pens that, talking about a pen that, just a simple pen. Anyway, if you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know down in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this kind of weird rambling video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.